What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're doing something a little bit different today for my 25 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him series. Guys, we are officially at day 22. We're almost done. And today's gift is going to be perfect for him. So make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up before we get started. Make sure you guys are also pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell to make sure you guys don't miss any of my videos, and you definitely don't want to miss out on these items and brands that I've highlighted so far. Alright, so as you guys can already see, I am showing you guys the super fun walk pad from Amazon. Now there's going to be two types of guys that this gift is for. One who's about fitness, wanting to get fit, or wanting to just be able to exercise. Some of you guys may be TikTok, Instagram, social media intuitive, and has seen that a lot of fashion influencers have been using walk pads to kind of show off their clothing and just kind of be something new. It's kind of like a catwalk. So with that trend going on, I really wanted to get one for myself. Plus, with me working so much and with all my content creation, I don't get a lot of time to exercise. So this was kind of the perfect thing for me. This walk pad is the perfect gift for him. And this is why. If you are in a small area, this is perfect for the guy who wants to exercise. We're talking, this thing weighs 41 pounds. It's 45 inches long. That's it. And it's a 2-in-1. This is a walk pad, but also a jogging pad too. A really good miniature treadmill. Let's also talk about the fact that it comes with a remote that allows you to get it from 0.6 miles per hour up to 3.5 miles per hour, guys. That means you can get a really good jog in this if you're trying to use it for exercise. Like I said, I will be using it for some exercise, but I'm mainly using this for the TikTok trends and whatnot so that I can show off my different fashion and different videos. I'm just trying to find new creative ways to make my content for you guys. Also, did I mention that this thing has a 2.5 horsepower? This thing gets moving. It's fast, but guess what? It's not loud at all. You can barely hear it. And it also comes with everything you need for maintenance with it, including the tools and the liquid to keep the tracks moist. Guys, this is the perfect idea, especially for those who don't want a gym membership or who doesn't have the room to have a true gym in their home. When I tell you, since I've gotten it, that I have been on it every day, I mean it. And guys, you won't believe the content I'm already coming up with. Believe it or not, you all will be seeing real soon how I'm going to be using this. I knew that every guy, especially someone who is just kind of wants to dip their toes into exercising, or other men's fashion influencers, would love this idea because this is a versatile gift. This is a simple way to stay active if for those who need to and want to. Especially, you guys know we always have the new year, new resolutions. This is a great way to start a new year exercising and just staying active. And for those who are trying to look for new ways to create content like I am, this is a great buy. On Amazon, you will see these range from between $107 to over $300. The Super Run that I purchased from Amazon was only $160. That's not too bad. It was free shipping, but a little bit higher purchase. When I say that this was worth it, I mean it. I like that it had a couple security features on it too. If you get off of the treadmill for too long, maybe like 30 seconds, it automatically shuts itself down to make sure that no one gets hurt. The power on this is crazy. And not to mention that it's all electronic, which means as long as it's plugged up, it can work with one touch on and off button. Go check out Amazon, or you can check out other websites. However, if you're looking for a good price for this, Amazon is the way to go. So let me know what you guys think. Is this a great buy? I'm in my studio right now and it's the perfect size for me to create content with it, just for you guys. So I do think it's perfect, but I want to know what you all think. Do you think this is a great idea? Do you think that he'd use it? And what would he use it for? Let me know in the comments, alright guys? Hey, make sure you guys are going back and checking out my previous videos. There's 3 more days before the holiday, which means you have about 2 days of shopping left. There are some great ideas in there. Go check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you guys are pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Plus, it really helps me get out there in my videos to reach people who might need to get all of this advice. But that's all I got for you guys today. So, as always, show love, support the drink, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.